Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video to share with you guys. My husband surprised me with a box, actually 2 boxes as a gift, and so I thought I would share the items with you guys because it's one of the first times I've ever seen one of these in person. Actually, no, that's not true. I've seen them in person, but I've never owned one. So we're gonna unbox these together. My husband is so darn sweet. If you have not ever seen my husband before, I will have our get ready with me below where he actually does my makeup for me, so you guys can kind of see who he is. He is a fantastic man. So anyway, let's get started with this unboxing. So the first one we have is this one right here. This is the box that came in. I'm not going to flip it the other way because it does have our address and everything on it. But if you open it up, we've got some goodies in here I'm super excited about. Do you see what I mean? Oh my goodness, I'm super duper excited. So I have actually been wanting a Louis Vuitton purse for many years, and I had thought about possibly selling most of my Kate Spade and Coach purses to actually buy myself a Louis Vuitton, but I was like, I don't know if I want to get rid of all of my purses. I kind of was debating whether or not I wanted to do that, and then my husband decided to surprise me with some goodies. So the first one comes in this beautiful box right here. It does have the ribbon as well as a little card attached here, and of course it's a very recognizable box. It's the orange and blue. I'm going to be saving my ribbons because I want to put this box back together. I don't know about you guys, but when I get an extra fancy box, I want to put it back together and like store it like as like a display piece. I'm weird. I mean, I have that done with my Tiffany pieces over behind us. I don't know if you can see those or not, but that's what I did with my Tiffany pieces as well. So it does come in this cute box here, this like a drawer pull out box. So all you do is pull it open, and then inside of here you have a little bag. This is the little dust cover bag. So the dust cover bag will protect your item while you're not using it. So if you want to stick it back in here, that's a great way to store things. And then you open it up, and of course you start to see some of that brown color that everyone is used to seeing for Louis Vuitton. So in here is a little wallet. I love this wallet. This was a complete surprise. Actually, both things were complete surprises. I'm not gonna lie, they were both complete surprises. I just was overwhelmed with so much joy when I opened these boxes up. I was like, oh my gosh. So this one does have the little red button here, as well as the red flap on the inside. And then you've got extra space inside to actually store your money, as well as a little zipper here. You can store your credit cards, your driver's license, anything you want to store in here. So that can be your little storage compartment. I absolutely love the little wallet. It is so darn cute. Are you guys like fans of the way that new purses smell? Because I am a huge fan of the way that a new purse smells. It just makes me so excited. I'm a little weird though, so I love the way that new things smell. I love the way that cleaners smell. I'm the person that smells everything. But this is the Louis Vuitton wallet. I am super duper excited. This is called the, let me see, I think there's a little tag somewhere in here. Yes, this is called the Emily. So this is called the Emily wallet. So if you guys were interested in getting one for yourself, it is called the Emily wallet. It does have a compartment in the back here. It's got 2 compartments on the inside, and then it's got 4 compartments on the outside to be able to put your IDs, your ID, not IDs, your ID, as well as any kind of credit, debit cards, and then your little zipper pouch. So it's got lots of places to store things. Now that one is open. I'm going to open the next one with you guys. I love the box. I don't know about you guys, but I would love a room painted those colors. That would be so beautiful. I'm surprised, honestly, that Jeffree Star hasn't painted one of his rooms that color. I know pink is his color, though. So the next one comes in another big box. I'm flipping back the top part just so, whoa, I almost dropped it, so that I can hide the address. So here is the box itself. The box is ginormous. So once you get that part open, then you open the next portion. It's like a hidden treasure down in here. And then you open it up, and then there's a box inside of a box. So it's perfectly shipped to you, so no damage has occurred. So here is what it looks like on the inside. This is the giant Louis Vuitton box. So as you guys have, I've told you already, this is my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. Actually, not purchase. I didn't purchase it. It was my first ever Louis Vuitton gift, or even just owning any. So I am beyond ecstatic to actually carry this around. I'm actually a little scared to carry it, I'll be honest with you, because I'm like, what if I scratch it? Or what if I like, where am I going to set it when I go to the bathroom? Like, I'm going to have somebody hold this because I'm going to treasure this thing like forever. I am one of those people that if you give me something really nice, I will take excellent care of it. Like, it gets polished, it gets taken really well taken care of. So I can promise you this thing will get taken really well care of. So I'm gonna again keep the ribbon, so I'm gonna try to slip this off without damaging the ribbon or the box too much. Oh, it's really tight right there. Okay, I got it off. Oh my goodness, I almost broke my nail trying to get the box thing off. Goodness. Sometimes you just sacrifice when you want to hold on to a cute little ribbon. All right, so actually I'm gonna set those to the side. I don't want them laying on my cute little wallet. So then you open the box, and the box looks like this. It has the Louis Vuitton label on the box, and then dun, 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 dun. This is magnetic, by the way, so this would be great to store things in if you wanted to keep it on in your closet or in your room or whatever. It'd be great to store things in because it does have a magnetic closure. So it does also come with both cards for the information on both products, so I'm going to hold on to those as well, so that way there, if I ever wanted to resell them, which never is going to happen, I'm never going to resell these because these are so fantastic. And then inside of here you do get another giant dust bag. So here's a Louis Vuitton dust bag. The dust bag again is perfect for if you're not using the item to keep it protected. So I'm going to open this up, flip it back, and then as you can see, we've got another beautiful Louis Vuitton colors in here. So we have the Never Full. This is the MM. So, or is it the GM? I think it's the GM. I'm sorry. So this is the giant one. So this one is really, really big. I wanted a really big purse because I love to put all of my stuff in my purse and just have it all easily accessible. I typically can't find a purse big enough for me, but this one is going to be perfect. This will be a great travel bag as well. It does have the nice straps to it with the stitching around. Then it also has the little side piece. I'm not sure what the side piece is for. I've never really figured it out. I don't really know. Again, the bag smells delicious. And then on the inside here, we've got the red and brown striping with the Louis Vuitton label, as well as a little pocket right here so that way there we can store things. And then attached to the bag is also another little bag right here. And this bag actually unzips. And this one has a couple little pockets as well. And then of course it's got the Louis Vuitton label in here. And then you can close this up super easily by just taking right here, there's a little strap, and then there's a little clip here, and you just clip this together and you've got your bag closed. So right there, if you want to stick some things in here, you don't want to have to worry about them falling out. They should not fall out, but this is my Louis Vuitton purse. This is a Never Full GM. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. I am so stoked to actually carry this. You'll have to let me know what your favorite style of a Louis Vuitton is. I know the Never Full is one of those that's kind of like classic. So you see a lot of people have the Never Fulls. I thought about like maybe I should have gotten the MM. Is it the MM? But the GM I think suits me the most, and that's the one that I've dreamed for forever. But this one, I think, like I said, is going to be perfect for traveling because I can throw, like if I have a sweater or something, I can throw that in there. I can throw a book in here. I can throw all of my stuff in here and be able to travel very easily with it. So I absolutely love this. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the Louis Vuitton. I am super excited about it. And once I get all my new purse items in here, you'll have to let me know if you'd like to see, hey, what's in my bag, because I can totally do that as well. Super duper excited to have this though, so thank you so much to my sweet amazing husband. I was never so surprised in my whole life because honestly I was not expecting it at all, because we've just gone on a very romantic trip and I thought, you know, we're trying to save money because we're trying to move into a new house. And when he surprised me with this, I was like over the moon excited. So thank you so much to my sweet amazing husband. Again, if you guys would like to see what's in my new Never Full, I keep getting like tongue tied. I'm so excited I'm tongue tied. If you would like to see what I put into my Never Full, let me know, because I can definitely do a video on that, because I would love to share with you guys what's in my bag, because I think those videos are fun. That's like one of the first fun videos I think I watched on YouTube. So it's just one of those that kind of like nostalgic, very classic, like a Louis Vuitton Never Full. So I am super excited. Again, let me know what style of bag you like in the Louis Vuitton, or if there's a different brand that you'd like, let me know what your favorite style of bag is. I'd love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.